My fingers are, excuse me, a clean.
The Kremlin in the mirror.
Excuse me, if you have anything to say for yourself? Excuse me.
Make it look like $1. You would literally have the money flag.
Pulp Fiction. No, excuse me. Okay.
Among Us.
400 IQ move.
Oh my god, this is so embarrassing.
I stopped believing my dad was coming back. Hoping for some exciting and original features from Apple. Excuse me. Excuse me. They really trademarked it. Excuse me. And excuse me. Ripping apart my head.
Excuse me.
I couldn't upload to your main channel, huh, Marshall?
$1 million.
I've never had. Excuse me. My man. Excuse me. I think excuse me. Can we please move on from pouring milk? Hit me up.
You got it, Pop.
Eco-friendly. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. What really drew me towards
Can't even burp anymore.